Hey everybody, welcome back. Today, Lisa and I, we are on the Holland America, New Amsterdam. We're on deck 8, or the navigation deck. Now, please note, before you get on the ship, when you're looking at deck plans, it's only got the names. It doesn't have the number, so just know that the navigation deck is deck 8. This is all passenger cabins, so we're about to show you where your cabin is in relationship to stairs, elevators, crew doors, and these things. And if you've never seen us do one of these videos, I can't turn the camera for you to see every door and every number. If I did, you'd get seasick. So I'm going to call up the numbers and use my finger to point for them. Next, do us a huge favor. When you see and or hear your door called, leave a comment below and let us know when you're sailing on the beautiful New Amsterdam. That being said, what I do love about this ship is it's very easy to navigate. Just picture a ship going forward. There's also a word that says forward, and it shows you we're on the starboard side. Love it. 8017. Here's a steward station, which could be a little bit loud. 15, 13, 11, crew door, 9, crew door, 7, crew door, 5, 3, 1. This is crew only. Up here is actually the bridge, so we can't go in there. By the way, there's 2 doors that you want to pay attention to. The silver doors, which are called pantries, which they're in there cleaning dishes and getting ice and stuff, so it could be a little loud. When I say pantry, you know that. It's a big silver door. I haven't shown one yet. The steward station, that's where their towels and their carts and stuff are kept. So just know that those areas might be a little bit noisier than the rest of the crew doors. So let's get all the way to the side here. We couldn't cross over up there because the bridge is there, so we're having to walk all the way back. Okay. Again, crew access. Again, the bridge is up here. 8002-4, Lisa. 6, crew door. 8, crew door. 10, crew door. 12, 14, 16, the steward station. This is right where we came from the forward elevators and stairs. 18, 20, 22, 24, and 26. Oh, good morning. 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Crew door 44 in one of those pantries that I told you about. Can you see they have their ice machine in here and do a lot of cleaning? We've just heard them clanking around in there, so it could be a little bit extra noisy for 142. Not 100% sure, we're just letting you know. 44, 46, 48, 50, crew door. 52, crew door. 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, pantry. 64, crew door, 66, 68, 70, crew door. 72, looked opened. 74. All right, guys, sorry about that. We had a little camera failure. We are at the midship elevators and stairs, so let's keep going. 8076, 78, steward station, crew door. 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100, 102, 104. Again, we're on deck 8, so 8, 106, 108, crew door. 110, 112, 114, crew door. 116 and 118, crew door. 120, the steward station, and 122 opens right to the aft elevators and stairs. 124, 126, 128 opens right to the secondary entrance to the aft elevators and stairs. There's a lot of noise coming from behind here. I'm not sure if you can hear it or not. It's just the AC station. I don't think you'd hear it, but just note that 130 is right across from that. 132, crew door. 134, 36, 38, and 40. 142, 44, 46, and 48. 150, 52, and 54. 156, crew door. 158, steward station, crew door. 160, 162, 164, 166, 168, all the way in the back of the ship, crossing over to the odd side. 175, 173, 171, and 169. Mush. 167, 65, 63, 161 and 159, 157, 55 and 53, 151, 49, 47 and 45, 143, 41, 39 and 37. Again, this is the other side of that AC station. It's just a lot of noise coming from in there. I don't know if you can hear it. Anyway, 135, 133, 131, secondary access to aft elevators and stairs. 129, 127, 125 opens right up into the main entrance to the aft elevators and stairs. Steward station and a pantry across from 121, 123, 121, 119. Sorry about that, everybody. Crew only. 117, 115, 113, 111, 109, 107, 105, 103, 101, 99, 97, 95, 93, 91, 89, 87, 85, crew door, 83, steward station across from 81, 79, midship, elevators, and stairs. Okay. 77, crew door 75, 73, 71, 69, crew only, the pantry right across from 67, and 67, 65, 63, 61, 59, 57, 55, 53, 51, another pantry right here across from 49, 45 and 47, 43, 41, 39 and 37, 35, 33, 31, 29, 27. Crew only, 25, 23, 21, 19, 17, which is exactly where we started. So we've gone all the way around now on deck 8 for you guys here on the navigation deck. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know when you're sailing on the beautiful Holland America New Amsterdam. Until we see you on another deck or another ship, be safe. Ciao!